Hello, and welcome to this instructional video on how to download and install the Canon MAXIFY GX3020 driver. First, let's start by opening up a web browser and navigating to the website printer-setup.us. Once you're on the website, click on the Canon Support tab. This will take you to a page where you can select your operating system and language. Once you've made your selection, click on the Download button and wait for the driver to download. This may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file. Follow the prompts to install the driver on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to print from your Canon MAXIFY GX3020 printer without any issues. If you encounter any problems, be sure to reach out to us. To download the Canon MAXIFY GX3020 printer driver with just one click, please visit our webpage. And that's it. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel